I've killed 2 birds in my life, and I did it with 1 stone. Now, I know it sounds impressive, but please wait for the facts. There were 2 very small birds, both trapped in one very small cage. I was standing over them with a huge stone, conducting an investigation into the realism of expression. My friend holding the video camera. People have been bragging about this bullshit for hundreds of years. Today, we find out just how difficult it actually is. Well, there you have it, folks. Hundreds of years of trash talk, and it's just that easy to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. We'll be back right after this with Have Your Cake and Eat It Too. Every now and again, and beaten half to death. Turns out it's pretty damn easy to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, depending, of course, upon what kind of birds they are. The birds were, say, ostriches or emus, both of which are nearly flightless, by the way. Right? If the birds were ostriches, that would change the whole equation. Right? Then the question would lie in how many times you're allowed to use the same stone over again. Right? Hey, are you the guy who killed 2 ostriches with 1 stone? Yes, I am. It took me 7 hours. But I did it. The first one was easy. He just walked right over to me. I think he thought I was going to feed him or something. He just leaned his big, stupid ostrich head in and bam! Took him out with 1 shot. That spooked the other one. He took off into the jungle, or wherever ostriches live. I ran in there after him. We were in there all day. Twice I thought I had lost that stone, in which case I'd be completely screwed. I'd have to start all over again. Right? And where do you draw that line? Hey, are you the guy who killed 11 ostriches with 9 stones? Right now I'm just some bizarre criminal who's killing a lot of rare birds in a pretty freaking violent manner. I had something to prove when it all started. Now I'm just getting arrested and escorted out of the zoo. What, you thought I went to Africa? Perfectly good ostriches in the Bronx. Or there used to be.